Another day, another story. Hello and welcome to today's video where we will be discussing the fascinating field of mechanical engineering. Mechanical engineering is a diverse and exciting field that encompasses a wide range of areas, including robotics, aerospace, automotive, and manufacturing, to name just a few. In this video, we'll explore some of the key concepts, principles, and technologies that define mechanical engineering, as well as some of the career opportunities available to aspiring mechanical engineers. The basics of mechanical engineering. Mechanical engineering is a branch of engineering that deals with the design, analysis, and manufacturing of mechanical systems. These systems can range from small, intricate devices to large-scale industrial machinery. Mechanical engineers use principles of physics, mathematics, and materials science to create machines and systems that solve problems and improve our lives. One of the key principles of mechanical engineering is the study of mechanics, which is concerned with the motion and behavior of objects under different conditions. This includes understanding the properties of materials, the forces acting on objects, and the ways in which objects interact with one another. Another important area of mechanical engineering is the study of thermodynamics, which is concerned with the transfer of energy and heat between systems. This is especially important in the design of engines and power systems, as well as in the development of materials and manufacturing processes. Mechanical engineering technologies. There are a variety of technologies and tools used in mechanical engineering. Computer-aided design, CAD, software is a critical tool for engineers, as it allows them to design and test complex systems in a virtual environment before building physical prototypes. Finite element analysis, FEA, is another important tool used in mechanical engineering. FEA allows engineers to simulate the behavior of structures and systems under different conditions and to optimize their designs for performance, safety, and efficiency. Robotics is also a growing area of mechanical engineering. Robotics involves the design and programming of robots for a variety of applications, including manufacturing, healthcare, and space exploration. Career opportunities in mechanical engineering. Mechanical engineering is a broad field that offers a wide range of career opportunities. Some of the most common areas of specialization include aerospace engineering, designing and testing aircraft and spacecraft. Automotive engineering, designing and developing vehicles, engines, and components. Manufacturing engineering, designing and improving manufacturing processes and systems. Robotics engineering, designing and programming robots for a variety of applications. HVAC engineering, designing and improving heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems. Conclusion. Mechanical engineering is an exciting and challenging field that offers a wide range of career opportunities. Whether you are interested in designing the next generation of aircraft or developing new manufacturing processes, mechanical engineering has something to offer. With the right education and training, you can become a part of this dynamic and constantly evolving field. Thank you for watching today's video on mechanical engineering, and we hope you found it informative and interesting.